Hi guys, and again I'm back to teach you the chapter Ball on the Beach, related from in English literature, chapter standard 1. So in all two videos I have explained and I have given you some homework, like some orally to think these answer, that which one is your favorite game and how do you feel when you don't have anyone to play with you, and how do you feel when you are alone. So this is the story of like that same person whose name is Sanjay. He was lonely, alone, no friend. He don't have any friend, and none of the boys, in fact, they would not want to play with Sanjay. And because they all played cricket, but they did not let to Sanjay to play with them. And then because they are thinking that Sanjay is not good, so all the boys are saying that you are not good. And then Sanjay just feel very bad, and he went to the beach after walking. And then he was just looking at the waves, and he feel very bad on that time, because why not no one is interesting to play with me. Then after when then he just heard some sound like shouting, shoutings. And then he just turned around. He saw that something has hit on his back, on his chest and on his back. Then he just turned around, and then he just saw that his in his hand he just hold a ball, that is a cricket ball. Then he saw that someone is coming, running towards him. And then that boy, he don't know the Sanjay. Then the boy said that great catch. The boy said to Sanjay that well done, it's a great catch. Then the Sanjay said thank you. And then the boy who just come to take the ball from Sanjay, he just asked to Sanjay that we need a player in a team, so would you like to play with in our team. Then Sanjay said okay. Then when the game was over, the boy came up to Sanjay again, and I'm Manish. Then after the finishing the game, the cricket games, they all played the well. And then after the boys came, that unknown person that who just offered him to join the cricket team. And then he just again came back, and he said that he just introducing himself that I'm Manish, because at that time he has not introduced himself. So after finishing the cricket, he just introduced himself that hello, I'm Manish. Then we play here every Saturday. Then the Manish said that we all played here every Saturday on the beach, so you can play with us if you want. Then said if you want, then you can come and you can play with us. Then you are good, I'm Sanjay, said Sanjay. Then said okay, I will come. And then Sanjay also introduced himself that hello, I'm Sanjay. Like suppose when we are going to a new person, and first of all we are introducing ourselves, so that the person who is in front of us, they can know. Like suppose whenever I started to teach you, whenever I have joined the school, so before starting the chapter and explaining all the things, first of all I have introduced myself. So whenever the new students came, they also we are also offered him to explain, to just introduce himself. So here also the Sanjay had introduced himself. Then after, yes, I will play next Saturday, thanks. Then Sanjay said yes, of course I will play with you next Saturday, and thank yous to join me in this cricket team, Sanjay said to Manish. Then so now Sanjay is not lonely at anymore. So from that time the Sanjay is not lonely anymore. He just become a lot friend, because sometimes when we nowadays I think lockdown is there and we can't meet our friends, our family members, so we feel very sad. Suppose if any one child are there at home and they don't have any brother and sister, on that time they feel very sad. In fact, they feel bad, why I am alone, why I don't have any brothers. because in fact the friend, we can't go to meet our friend also. So here after that, when Sanjay has met the friend after playing the cricket, he feel very good, and from that time he can't be a alone person, lonely person. Then he has lots of friends, and after that he all the people, all the boys become a friend of Sanjay. From that time he has a lots of friends, and they all think he is really a good at cricket. Then after they all think, after Sanjay played with them, they think that yes, he is not a bad, he is a good at cricket. So only that much chapter. I hope you guys understood the chapter, because it's a very interesting story. Maybe it's related from our real life also, whenever we are childhood and no person they are not allowed us to play. On that time we feel cry, and we will go to the parents and we will tell them that see, these all are not allowed me to play with them. So these all, it happens in a real life, and it's happening in our childhood. So yeah, only that much chapter, and I hope you guys are understood the chapter, and you all are enjoying the chapter also, and online classes also. In fact, the weather is also too cool. And please eat healthy and stay happy at home, and eat delicious food and become a strong person. And please, whatever the homework I am giving, please you should write down these all homework in your copy. It should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting, so whenever the school will open, you will not be in trouble. So it's not because bad handwriting, then I will give you to redo. So it's better that in one time you can do it in a better way, in a good way. So word meaning, whatever I told, that after finishing I will give you the word meaning in next video. So please you guys watch the next videos for word meaning, and then after you can find out their meaning from the dictionary, and these all word meaning you should write down in your literature copy. Again I am telling you, it should be in legible handwriting and should be in dark pencil. Thank you, and for word meaning please watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.